Hello everyone, this is Kiran and today we are going to learn about how to take screenshots in Selenium. So how to save the screenshot while we are actually automating our code. So that's a very easy process. What we have to do is, just give me a moment. Now, first of all, we'll create and we'll import a take screenshots library, and then we'll create an object to it. So basically we're converting the WebDriver object to be able to take screenshots. So once we have created an object to the take screenshot class, we will be using take screenshot, then the object name, any variable of your choice, is equals to take screenshot WebDriver. Now we are preparing the WebDriver to be able to take screenshot. Now we'll call ScreenshotAs method. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have to use file class. So file and the source file is equals to whatever object we created dot getScreenshotAs. So we have to tell the output type as what? The output type will be file again. Now this last step is to actually copy it to the desired location. So we have to create a folder in our local machines where we actually want to save the screenshots. So we'll see the code and we'll understand how to do it. So let's go back to our Eclipse. Here's the code. So what we have to do, we have to understand how to write it. So for that we have to import the file class, and the input output exception is also important because we have to throw the exception so that in case of any files which are not available where we are actually saving the screenshots, we don't get errors. Now here the first thing which we have to do is to have Apache POI Jar files. So we have to go and search for Apache POI Jar files. So what we can do is, I'll just copy this. Now we have to go to our package and we'll create another class of the name screenshot. New class. Let's name it as screenshot. Screenshots. Finish. Now I'll paste the code. Here we go. Now we don't have Apache POI Jar files in this project, that's why we are getting errors. So what we have to do, we have to go to the Google and search for Apache POI Jar files. So this website we have to open, poi.apache.org downloads. In that we have to click on this latest stable releases for the POI. When we click on it, we'll get binary distribution and source distribution. You can select the binary distribution zip file, and the moment we click on it, it will start downloading into our local machines. Now once it is there, the zip file, we have to unzip the zip file to have all the jar files available with us. So I'll quickly show you how the folder look like. So here is our download section. In that I have unzipped the POI jar files. Here when we open it, we'll see a folder POI bin. There we have all these jar files. We have to also use the ones inside the folders. So we have here, we have in the lib, we have in the auxiliaries, all these jar files will be used. So what we have to do is we have to go to our project again, and we have to do a right click on the project name, and then build path, configure build path. There I'll be adding all the jar files for the Apache POI. Now class path, add external jars. So let's go to the download, and in that we have POI bin. Here I can select all except the folders. I can just remove the folder names. So these jar files I'm adding. Then I'll again click on add external jars. Then I'll go to the XML lib and control A and then open. Then I'll again go to the add external jars. So I have to keep my cursor here in the class path. Then I'll get the option to add external jars. Then I can go inside the lib and select and then again I can go to the class path name and then add external jars. Then I can go back and select inside the auxiliary ones, so Control A. So I have selected all the jar files. I'll just do an apply and close. Control S. So we can see here the error got away. Now let's understand what is this code about. So I've imported all the important libraries, which include Java input output file, and then exception input output exceptions. Then I have used Apache common.io.file utils. So this is for actually saving it to the destination folder. So that's where we need file utility, and then we have output type, and then take screenshot, and WebDriver and Chrome driver. So these are two usual ones which we have to import, and rest these are for the taking the screenshots. So our code starts with the class name, and inside that we have public static void main. Now in that we have throws input output exception. This throws has been used so that we can handle the input output exceptions if any, and then WebDriver driver is equals to new Chrome driver. It will open up the browser. We can maximize the window if we want to, which is driver.manage by manage.windows.maximize. Okay, so this will it's not Windows window. This will maximize the window size, and then I'm just opening google.com, so that's fine. We can just open any website of our choice. So we are opening google.com, and then what I'm doing is file, then we're creating an object to it is equals to take screenshot driver. Now dot get screenshot as, so basically I'm the second step and first step we have merged here. So get screenshot as output type, I want it to be a file type, right? Now using the file utils, I'm copying it to our local folder which I have created inside the C drive called temp. So there the name of the screenshot will be this. Okay, so I can run the code for you and you can see a new screenshot on my local machine. So I'll just run the code. Here we go. So it's running. Now it will open Chrome browser and google.com will open. It will maximize the window also this time. Actually, I've opened two Chrome browsers. It's okay, no problem. It will maximize the window. It will open google.com. It will take screenshot and save it in my local machine. So here we go. This is the screenshot which we will be getting. Okay. So let it stop. This is the screenshot we are going to get. So we'll go to this and we'll see that okay, it has turned gray. That means the test case has stopped. So what I have to do, I have to go inside my C drive. So let's go to the C drive, and inside that there must be a temp folder. So this is the temp folder. Inside that there must be a screenshot which got clicked and attached right now. So this is the file name. I'll just open it for you so that you can see the same screenshot got attached here. So this is how we can use screenshots whenever we want to. Yeah, so you can see the screenshot got attached, right? So that's what is happening in this code. We are actually creating an object to the file class and then using the take screenshot method and associating it with the driver and preparing the WebDriver ready to take screenshot, and then using get screenshot as, and then we want it to be a file type, so output as file, and then saving it into any local destination folder which we have created using file utils, and then copying the file there. And this copy file has two parameters which we are passing. We are telling the source file and then we are telling the location of the destination folder. Okay, so this is how we are going to take screenshots. So that's about taking screenshots in Selenium. We'll come up with more topics in the next sessions. Thank you.